guys, how are we doing? My name is Matt. Today I'm going to be doing a review and just an overlook on wheel spacers. So you can buy many different kinds, whether they're custom made, forged, literally anything, to eBay spacers, which this is what I'm going to be reviewing today. So the really high-end spacers are typically like 160 to 150 for just the front pair, and then if you need the rears or vice versa. But that's a major price difference. You're talking about 160 versus $80 for 4, and then about 160 for only a pair, so 2. And so I'm gonna figure it out today. Are these eBay spacers that sketchy, and will they kill me? We're gonna find out.
What?
So to start, going to open the box.
What a loser!
This came really quick. I paid about $83 or $80 for these. Just go over one thing. Here they are. So up close so you guys can see it. So these are eBays from a company called Custom Made Only. These are 30 millimeters, so a little over an inch or just about an inch. And yeah, they're 5x100, hub centric, which means that has this lip right here. It will actually bolt, not bolt, but slide into the wheel and hold it. Supposedly that helps with vibrations down the line. But yeah, so people on eBay say that these studs, they snap off and you're gonna die. No matter what, some forum post, you're gonna die. There's no question to it, but just from seeing it, it's aluminum or alloy and carbon 10.9 steel forged. Bullshit. People do this for offset issues, or if you need a clear brake kit, these are great for it. And supposedly they help with handling because it widens the wheel out. But the eBay problem that people have is these studs seem to snap. And when the studs snap, your wheel could fly off and then you'll crash and you'll die. So that's the theory to it. Today I'm gonna be putting on my 2000 Subaru Outback. There we go. And should be good. I'm pretty hyped to see the difference. My car definitely needs some fitment. There's nothing there right now. It was on the 18x10s, but now it's on 17x7s. And yeah, I'm not gonna go a whole history of wheel spacers, blah, blah, blah. So one of the reasons why people use wheel spacers are to obviously space out the wheels. And excited to see how these will fit. Maybe needed bigger ones, but honestly, even running an inch is kind of sketchy. So you can see the front fitment, it's pretty in, and it's gonna be pushing the wheel out. Bolts up to the hub there. And I'm excited to see how these look. For the money, $80, not bad at all. Just, are they safe? I'm gonna leave them on for about 2 to 3 weeks till the winter set comes on, or maybe in a month or so. I'm not really going to show a video on how to do it. It's pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, one thing I would highly suggest, these didn't even come with instructions, but whenever you put these on, look up torque specs and actually put them down, especially on the spacer itself. You want it torqued. Could play a major role on why maybe the eBay ones keep breaking. But let's throw them on. This is the 30 millimeter spacer on. For the quality, it doesn't seem too bad. I hope these studs last and don't break off like people say. But yeah, it looks pretty good. And obviously it pushes your wheel out, clearly. But some of the things you need to look for are if your wheel will rub on the quarter panel, or your fenders in the front, etc. So this is the quarter panel up here. When you push the wheel out, sometimes it rubs, but from the 18x10s, I actually had to pull these about a ½ inch to an inch, and I already rolled them beforehand, so something to look out for. The rear adapters are on both sides. It's definitely spaced out a decent amount. It's pretty good, but I'm gonna lower the car now. We'll see how it looks. So these actually look really good. Super flush in the rear. It's not perfect, but a lot better than before. While I was doing this, I had a few people text me who are mechanics and some who are experienced with some eBay spacers before. And 3 people within an hour of me even posting this on like my story, they all said to get some removable Loctite. With the Loctite, definitely buy the removable. They have the ones that are like permanent lock. Do not buy that. clearly if it focuses, which I doubt. But it says removable right by my thumb. This is the stuff you want. You don't want to lather it up. You want to just apply a little bit to the actual studs, so that when you bolt the nuts that came with the actual spacer, they have that extra security, you know? So with the Loctite, I half screwed the nut on, and then I dripped a drop or two inside the threads, and then I put it on. So a lot of it came out, but maybe it was a little too much. I'm gonna put a little less, I think, on the other side. And it's just a good little safety net, guys. So far it looks awesome. I mean, look at that compared to before. Adapters are on all around. I'm going to drop the car now and roll it off the wood. So far the car has passed the riding around town check. I hit bumps. I went like 35, 40. Did a little sharp turn here and there. Everything's good, no weird noises. So time for the highway. The camera, holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna try a 55-60 right here. I don't know how that came out, but I kind of just sent it, but not too crazy. Little third gear pull around the bend. So it's hard to do while holding the camera. So guys, no wobble or no vibrations at all on the steering wheel, going about 75. I usually drive, honestly, in this thing like 65 cruise control on the highway. So I'm gonna give these so far a success. I'm gonna check up on them. I'm gonna do one more shot for this video. I'm gonna park it down by the beach, and I'll just do a quick walk around, show you guys the fitment. And the car looks great. I'm pretty hyped. As long as these hold, I'm gonna keep checking them though. That's huge. I said I was gonna go to the beach, but I'm not. I'm actually in a parking lot just nearby, just to show you guys the fitment. Great. I couldn't be happier with it so far. So guys, thank you for watching. That's it for today. Put these on, use the Loctite. I'm gonna keep checking up on them, and that's it. Thank you, comment, like, subscribe, and peace out, guys.